This is an example of the factoring video you are going to submit. So first off, you're going to be given a quadratic, and for the example here, we're going to use x squared minus 4x minus 12. So the breakdown of the points is 15 points. You will get 2 points automatically for setting up your diamond and your box, which is what I have. And I know it doesn't look like a diamond, it looks like a big X, but that's what I call my diamond. Next, you're going to get 8 points for filling it in, and so that's where we're going to start. So just to kind of recap, the first term always goes in the top left corner. Last term always goes in the bottom right corner. You multiply those two pieces together, and that becomes the top of the diamond. So x squared and negative 12 make negative 12x squared. That middle term, the negative 4x, that middle term always goes in the bottom of the diamond, and whatever signs with it, goes with it. So now we have the diamond problem. We need two numbers that multiply to give us negative 12x squared, but add to give us negative 4x. I automatically put my x's in there because I know that they're going to be a part of the answers. And then I need to think what numbers multiply to give me negative 12, but then add to give me negative 4. So like I did in the notes, I like to make a list of things that multiplied to give us 12. So we have 1 and 12, 2 and 6, 3 and 4. And again, they have to be whole numbers, no decimals or fractions. Now, we're looking at our signs. We need them to multiply to be negative and add to be negative. So that means that the bigger number has to be the negative number. So now that I look at my list, I know 1 and negative 12 are out. 2 and negative 6 would work. They would give me negative 4, and then 3 and negative 4 are out. So we're going to have a 2x and a negative 6x. Again, order does not matter, so you could have them flip-flopped. And then we're going to fill in the empty spaces with those two pieces. So right now, this would be a total of 10 points out of the 15 because you set it up, you filled it in. So now we need to figure out what's going to be on the outside parts, and this is for additional 2 points. So similar to what we did in the notes, I automatically always put my x's outside there. So, under that first column and at that first row. So no matter what, x and x make x squared. So from there, that part's done. Now I need to figure out, okay, what's going to go here? What times x is going to give me 2x? Well, that's going to be a 2. Positive 2, so we're just going to make it a 2. And then down here, I need to figure out, all right, what times 2 is going to give me negative 12? That's going to be a negative 6. So right here, if you just stopped at this point, you would get 12 points out of the 15. So to finish it, the last 3 points are for the correct factors, which are the parentheses, and again, order doesn't matter. So we're going to have x plus 2 in a parenthesis and x minus 6. And you could have these flip-flopped. You could do x minus 6 first and x plus 2 second. So here's an example of what I'm looking for your factoring video. Again, it's worth 15 points, and it's broken down that you get 2 points for just setting up the diamond in the box, not even filling it out. 8 points for filling it out correctly. 2 points for the outside pieces here. So like this outside piece and that outside piece. And then finally you get 3 points when you write your answer in factors in the parentheses.